So as we start the tour, we're getting into some soybean fields, and it's really interesting. We talked earlier on about all this variability, and the soybean plant itself is a pretty good barometer. Each node kind of tells a story about conditions at the time. So when we start to look at some of these nodes where we have flowering nodes here, the flowers are borne on a raceme, and in some nodes we have up to 5 flowers initially, and we're only seeing in some of these nodes none of them have made a pod. In others, out of the 5 flowers, we only have 2 pods. And as we move up top, the flower cluster I really wanted to see still flowering has all aborted. So we have 5 aborted flowers in the very top node. So that's going to limit a little bit more of the late season yield gain. So it's going to be interesting to see what the pod counts are in soybeans. It's the main stem nodes that matters, not the height of the plant. So we're only seeing about 5 to 6 nodes on the main stem, a little light, but also related to planting. So the later you plant, the fewer flowering nodes you're going to see. So we're going to end up with lots of variability in the soybean yield as we expect, because we have almost an 8-week planting window. So it's no surprise that we're seeing what we're seeing here, and we'll, as always, we'll publish those final results across the territory, and we'll see the extent of the variability.